Hey everyone. Imagine building a fully functional background removal app in minutes using AI without needing to code. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional app using ChatGPT, Bolt.new, and some cool APIs. And by the end of this video, we'll deploy the app, making it available on your phone in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. All right, the first thing we need to do is add a prompt maker to ChatGPT. If you don't have it already, this feature will allow you to create precise prompts, perfect for generating code and apps. If you're not familiar, it's super easy. Just go to ChatGPT, open the plugin store, and search for Prompt Maker. Add it, and we're good to go. Once that's done, we can start creating our app. But wait, we're not just making any app. We're creating a background removal AI app with features like drag and drop, light dark modes, and even a comparison tool. And I'll guide you through everything step by step. Now, open ChatGPT and use this prompt to get started. Create me a prompt for Bolt.new to create an application for background removal with a single click. It should be modern and professional. Include a button named Remove Background that appears after the user uploads the image to the app. When the button is clicked, the image is provided without a background. An additional download button should be available, which, when clicked, downloads the image without the background. ChatGPT will now give us the full code, but don't forget to upload a screenshot from an AI website that matches the app's design. We're trying to keep everything simple and modern. Okay, now that we have our prompt ready, let's head over to bolt.new. This is where we're going to paste the prompt and start creating our app. Once you're logged into bolt.new, simply paste the code that ChatGPT generated for us. Now, upload a website screenshot like I mentioned earlier. You'll see that the app comes together nicely with all the key features in place. Upload image button, remove background button that appears once the image is uploaded. Download button to save the image after the background is removed. Notice the drag and drop feature is enabled and the design looks clean, professional, and user-friendly. We'll also reduce the size of the small images below the working area, just as ChatGPT suggested, for a quicker user experience. To make the app functional, we need to connect it to an API that handles the background removal process. For that, let's head over to remove.bg or another API provider of your choice and generate an API key. Now copy this API key and paste it into our bolt.new project to enable background removal. Here's an important touch. Add a comparison slider that shows both before and after images. ChatGPT also provided code to replace the slider with two buttons labeled before and after. When you click before, it shows the original image, and clicking after shows the image without the background. The app is looking pretty good now. So the next step is to deploy the project on bolt.new. Once deployed, anyone can use the app. The drag and drop feature is active, background removal works smoothly, and users can easily download their edited images. The design is simple, clean, and modern, just like we wanted. But we're not done yet. Let's make it even more accessible by turning it into a mobile app. Now that we've deployed the web app, it's time to create a mobile version. Head over to swing2app.com and create a free account. Once you're logged in, choose to create a web app and paste the bolt.new link to integrate it. Choose a name for your app. Let's call it AI Remove BG. Next, you'll need to upload an icon. You can easily create one on flaticon.com or download one that fits the app's aesthetic. Swing2app also lets you use toolbar options and push notifications, which makes it even better for user engagement. Select those options and voila, your app is almost ready. Once your app is complete, you can publish it to the App Store and Play Store, but you have to upgrade your plan with $33 per month or choose to use it directly from your phone. How cool is that? A background removal app that you built, working perfectly on both web and mobile. And that's it. In just a few steps, we created a fully functional background removal app using ChatGPT, Bolt.new, and Swing 2 app. From generating code to deploying the app and turning it into a mobile app, everything was done without any coding knowledge. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, let me know. Thanks for watching and happy app building.